Welcome to Automotive 2026. Audi A6 arrives with a presence that feels confident yet controlled. A sedan that does not seek attention through excess, but earns it through precision, balance, and understated authority. Its design clean and purposeful, sharp lines flowing seamlessly into smooth surfaces, creating a silhouette that feels modern without being aggressive. And as light moves across its body, the A6 reflects Audi's philosophy of progressive elegance. A car built for those who understand that true sophistication is quiet, and as the vehicle begins to move, the transition from stillness to motion is effortless, the engine responding smoothly, power delivered with refinement rather than urgency. And immediately the road feels different, not because it has changed, but because the Audi A6 filters it, absorbs it, reshapes it into something calmer, more controlled, and inside. The cabin becomes a space defined by clarity, technology integrated with intention. Screens sharp and intuitive, materials precise and premium. Every surface placed with purpose, reinforcing the sense that this sedan was engineered for people who value intelligence as much as comfort. And as the driver settles in, the steering feels exact, responsive without being demanding, creating a connection that inspires confidence rather than excitement. And as city streets give way to open roads, the A6 maintains its composure, gliding forward with a sense of stability that makes distance feel shorter, journeys feel lighter, and time feel less urgent. And this calm becomes the defining emotion. Because the Audi A6 is not designed to overwhelm the senses. It is designed to organize them, to remove distraction, to allow focus, whether that focus is on the drive, the destination, or the moment itself. And even as speed increases, the cabin remains quiet, insulated, balanced, a reminder that performance does not need to be loud to be effective. And in this refined motion, the 2026 Audi A6 begins to reveal its identity. Not as a car that demands attention, but as one that supports ambition, professionalism, and presence, offering a driving experience that feels composed, intelligent, and deliberately crafted for modern life. As the 2026 Audi A6 continues forward, its character reveals itself through consistency rather than drama, the way it maintains balance across changing conditions, adapting quietly without drawing attention to the technology working beneath the surface. And this quiet intelligence becomes the defining trait of the experience, allowing the driver to remain relaxed while still fully engaged. And as the road stretches into long highways, the A6 settles into an effortless rhythm, the engine maintaining smooth momentum, the suspension filtering imperfections with precision, creating a sensation where motion feels controlled and uninterrupted. And inside the cabin, the environment responds subtly, ambient lighting adjusting as daylight fades, digital displays remaining clear and intuitive, never overwhelming, providing exactly what is needed and nothing more, reinforcing Audi's philosophy that technology should enhance clarity rather than compete for attention. And as night arrives, the A6 transforms into a refined moving space, headlights cutting cleanly through darkness, reflections tracing along its sharp body lines, emphasizing its confident design, while inside, the cabin remains composed, quiet, and focused. And this sense of calm allows long drives to feel effortless, hours passing without fatigue, reinforcing that this sedan was designed for endurance of the human experience, not just mechanical reliability. And when the road begins to curve, the A6 responds with controlled precision, steering offering reassurance, grip remaining consistent, systems working invisibly to maintain stability without intruding on the natural flow of the drive. And this balance between control and comfort defines the Audi A6's personality, because it does not challenge the driver, it supports them. And as the journey continues uninterrupted, the A6 reinforces its role as a modern executive sedan, built for those who value intelligence, efficiency, and quiet confidence, offering a driving experience that feels composed, purposeful, and thoughtfully engineered for life in motion.